Big Guns, Unveiled, Decoding English Idioms. Hello dear learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of English idioms. The phrase we're focusing on is big guns. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what it means, but also how and when to use it. Let's get started. The term big guns originally referred to large artillery pieces or cannons used in warfare. These were the most powerful weapons on the battlefield, capable of causing significant damage. Over time, the phrase transitioned from a literal reference to weapons to a figurative expression. In everyday English, when someone talks about bringing out the big guns, they're not talking about actual cannons. Instead, it's a metaphorical way to talk about bringing out the best or most powerful resources at one's disposal. This can be in the context of a debate, a competition, a business strategy, or any situation where someone wants to gain an advantage. For example, if a company is trying to outdo its competitor, they might launch their most popular product or bring their most experienced team members into a project. Metaphorically, bringing out the big guns. Now, let's see how you can use big guns in everyday conversations. 1. Sports. The opposing team brought their big guns tonight. They're playing their best players. 2. Business. For the upcoming product launch, we need to bring out our big guns and make it a success. 3. Entertainment. The movie studio is bringing out the big guns with A-list celebrities for their next film. Remember, the phrase is flexible, and its main essence is to emphasize strength, capability, or a powerful approach. So, the next time you hear someone mention big guns, you'll know they're talking about their strongest assets or strategies, not actual weapons. English is filled with such vibrant idioms that make the language more colorful and expressive. We hope this video shed light on the phrase, big guns, and you feel more confident using it in your conversations. Happy learning, and until next time.